Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change email address on Bybit. First of all, you can open the Bybit application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you can just simply tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply see the option security. In the account info section, tap on security, and after this you can just simply see the option email. In the change password section, tap on it, and after this you can see the option change my registered email. You can just simply tap on it to change your email, and it is the way you can change email address on Bybit. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.